Hi, boys and girls, it's Mrs. DaCosta. I wanted to come on here to walk you through an example of today's math assignment because it can be very tricky. So as long as you stick with me, you should be okay. So the example that I'm giving you is actually part one. So if you follow this completely, you should be able to get part one right away, no problem, okay? So let's breathe, take it slow, and we will be all right. Okay, so yesterday we were finding angles, unknown angles. Okay, today we are finding unknown lengths. Okay, so we're switching our brains from angles to lengths. Okay, so it says find the lengths of the unknown sides. The figure is made up of a rectangle and a square. Okay, so there are two shapes here. Put them together, they make one big shape. Find BC and GE. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my drawing tool and I'm going to find where BC is in the shape. Okay, well, here's the letter B, this corner right here, and here's C. So I need to find how long this line is right here that's highlighted in pink. Okay, now let me take a different color. I'll use green. I need to find where GE is. Let's see where GE is. Oh, GE is this long line right here, okay? This long line right here. This is GE, okay? Highlighted in green. These are the two lengths that I need to find. We don't know them, so we need to use what we already have, okay? The numbers that we already have to help us, all right? So the first thing that you need to do when you are trying to find unknown lengths, you need to ask yourself, what shapes am I working with? Okay, it tells us right here, we are working with a rectangle and a square. So we can easily see the rectangle, watch where my mouse is, the rectangle is right here, okay? And the square is right here, okay? So that's the first question you need to ask yourself. Second question, what do I know about rectangles? Okay, now remember, we're not talking about angles here, we're talking about sides and lengths. What do we know about the lengths of the sides of a rectangle? The parallel sides, okay, the opposite parallel sides are the same length, all right? So if this side is 15 centimeters, this side has to be what? 15 centimeters, okay? Why is this not? Okay, all right. Guess you don't want to work with me. 15 centimeters, okay? If this side is 12 centimeters, this side has to be 12 centimeters, okay? So hold on a second though. This whole side has to be 12, okay? The whole thing from the top to the bottom has to be 12. Okay, but it wants us to find this little piece right here. Okay, so what do I already have? Well, I can look over here and see that I have 8 centimeters from here to here. I have 8 centimeters from here to here. So what can I do to figure out this piece right here? What can I do? I can take 12 and I can subtract 8. And that should give me what? 4 centimeters, okay? So this side right here should be 4 centimeters, okay? But I'm not done. So I found BC. I'll put an X over it. I found BC. I need to find GE, okay? So GE is down here. Now, I know that from here, let me grab another color. From here to here is 15, okay? From here to here is 15. I'm going to pause because I need to film another video because this is about to end, okay? I'll be back.